Hi, Trisa from Anjurisa here. Today we are making a super simple tote bag. No lining needed. Tote bags are always handy, right? You can use them for shopping, carrying books, or just as a casual everyday bag. And the best part is, this project is very beginner friendly. If you're just getting into sewing, this is a great one to try. For the materials, I recommend using a sturdy fabric like canvas or denim because tote bags usually carry a lot of stuff. Since we're skipping the lining in this project, you really only need two things: fabric for the bag and fabric for the handles. If you want to keep things quick and easy, webbing is the way to go. It's already finished, so you don't need to press or sew it. But if you'd like to make matching handles for your bag, I'll show you how. Take your fabric strip and fold it in half. Give it a nice press to create a crease in the middle. Open it back up and you'll see the fold line. Now fold each raw edge in toward the center crease, and then fold the strip in half again, so the raw edges are fully hidden. Like I said earlier, if you're in a hurry, you can skip all of this by using webbing. But if you're making your own handles, the next step is to top stitch along both edges to keep everything flat and sturdy. And that's it, your handle is done. You'll need two of these. So repeat the same steps for the second strip. Now let's move on to the bag itself. Start with the shorter edge of your fabric. Fold it once, about an inch, then fold it again. So the fold is about 1 inch. Press it flat. This will give you a nice clean edge at the top of your bag. Repeat the same fold and press on the other side. If you enjoy making organizers, feel free to check out my Etsy. The link is in the description. All the patterns are instant download, printable, and super beginner friendly. Next, grab your ruler and measure 4 inches from the edge. Mark it. Then do the same on the other side. This is where the handles will go. Place the ends of your handle at those marks. Clip it in place, making sure it's not twisted, and clip it in place. Repeat with the second handle on the other side. Before you sew, it's a good idea to check the handle length. Hold it up like you're carrying the bag. If it feels too long, you can trim it now. Once you're happy with the length, sew along the fold to secure both the fold and the handles in one go. After that, fold the handles upward so they're pointing away from the bag. Sew across again, close to the edge, to lock them in place. Do the same with the other side. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support the channel by liking and subscribing for more sewing tutorials. Your bag is starting to take shape. Now fold your fabric in half with the wrong sides facing each other. Clip the sides if needed, then sew down both edges. If you can, use the smallest seam allowance. This saves you from trimming later. But if you prefer a wider seam allowance, that's okay. Just trim the seam close to the stitching line once you're done. Next, turn the bag inside out. Push out the corners and clip the sides again. Sew down both edges one more time. This step hides the raw edges inside the seam. So without a lining or a serger, your tote bag will still look tidy and professional. Finally, turn the bag right side out. Push out the corners neatly, and that's it. Your tote bag is finished. A simple, sturdy tote bag made without lining. Thanks so much for sewing with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!